Welcome back to Statistical Spectrum. Today we are going to see the most fundamental concept in RProgramming, which is data types. Before we jump into data types, let's quickly talk about why they matter. In R, data types define the kind of data you are working with, whether it's numbers, text, or something more complex. Knowing your data types is crucial because it determines how you can manipulate and analyze your data. R has several basic data types. Let's go through them one by one. The first and most common data type is numeric. Numeric data includes both integers and decimal numbers. For example, let's create a numeric variable. Here is a numeric variable storing the value 10.5. You can check the data type using class function. Here you can see class of A, and the output you can see the numeric. It means that the variable A has numeric data type. Next up is the integer data type. Integers have whole numbers without any decimals. To explicitly create an integer, you can use capital L as a suffix. So here you can see the variable b is equals to 15 capital L and print b. Let's take the class of variable b. Class of b, you can see the output integer. It means that the variable b has integer data type. Now let's talk about character data. Character data types are used for text or strings. You can create a character variable by enclosing text in quotes. For example, the variable c is equals to data science and print c. Let's check its class by using class function. The class of c, you can see the output character. It means that the variable c has character data type. Logical data type represents Boolean values like true or false. These are often used in conditions and comparison. Let's see an example. D is equals to true. Now let's check its class by using class function. Class of D, you can see the output logical. It means that the variable D has logical data type. R also supports complex numbers which have both real and imaginary parts. For example, E is equals to 3 plus 2i and print E. Let's check its class by using class function. So class of E, you can see the output complex. It means that the variable E has complex data type. Another important data type in R is a factor. Factors are used for categorical data like gender or education levels. For example, F is equals to factor in bracket low, medium, high. Let's check its class by the class function. So class of F, you can see the output is factor. It means that the variable F has factor data type. Sometimes you will need to check or convert data types. Let's look at how to do that. You can use the class function as we have seen, or the type of function for more details. For example, type of A, you can see the output here. To convert data types, you can use functions like as.numeric, as.character, or as.factor. Let's see an example. The variable g is equals to 123, d is equals to as.numeric. So I am using as.numeric for converting numeric variable. Now g is a numeric value instead of character. Understanding data types is essential because it helps you to avoid errors in your code. For example, you can't perform arithmetic operations on character data. Knowing your data types ensures your code runs smoothly and efficiently.